And so today what I want to show you guys is some examples of some channels that are really killing it just by downloading and reposting videos, or else finding videos and making slight edits to them and compilations, and have ads and have had a channel for a long time and are really killing it. So the first one that I found is Motiversity. So if you see here, all they're doing is they probably just found these videos, or they're putting them together. They're different people speaking and then just putting together different videos. I believe they found all of this. I don't think they made any of this stuff. And then they just put a watermark on it, and they're editing, just the way that I teach inside my course, in the same way that I do in my niches where I make, over $500,000 now. And as you can see here, they definitely have ads. And so we'll go in and take a look at this channel right here. So as you can see in the About section, this channel has 70 million views, guys. They've had a channel now for 4 years. So for those of you who think you can't just, copy and repost videos and, not keep your channel, well, this channel's been alive for 4 years and still has ads. 70,794,394. If you multiply that by 3 cents, or if you multiply that by 10% with click-through rate, if you put an ad every 2 minutes or so, which that looked like it did, because every 2 minutes I click, there's a new ad popping up. And then you multiply that by 3 cents, which is how much you get per click. And I estimate that channel's made $212,000, guys. Just awesome, just amazing. And then the next one I wanted to show you is Law of Attraction Coaching. And once again, as you can see, JCPenney, they definitely have ads as well. And they have the same exact sort of thing. It's just different celebrities doing motivational speeches. This one, they don't even have a cool video, and it still has a lot of views. Like, it's mostly just a picture with different people speaking on it, okay? And so if we go in and look at this channel, they have 1.4 million views, okay? They've been alive since 2015 as well, so they've also been going for 4 years. 112,813,979 times 0.10 times 0.03. I estimate about $338,000 if you put an ad every 2 minutes or so, which, again, it looked like that channel did as well. Next one I want to show you guys, same sort of thing. As you can see, they still have ads as well, and it's the same exact sort of thing. Again, once again, just speaking, just celebrities and stuff doing motivational speeches. Put a little watermark on there, do a little editing, and they didn't make any of this stuff, okay? And so we go ahead and look at this channel. We'll look at their About section real quick. And what you'll see here is they have been alive for 2 years now. 65,958,874 times 0.10 times 0.03. $197,000, guys. This is some crazy money to be making. This one, again, same exact thing. And for this one, they're using Tony Robbins. So it's just Tony Robbins talking with a picture over it. That's how easy it can be. I show you in the masterclass exactly how to make something just like this. It's just a moving picture with Tony Robbins over it, okay? That's all you need to do. So then you go in here, you look at this channel, and you'll see they have 1 million subscribers as well. Look at how long they've been alive. Over 5 years now, guys. 5 years. So for those of you who say this is dead and you can't do it anymore, that's completely false. Look at these channels right here. All of them have been alive 4 or 5 years. They still have ads. They're not demonetized because they're doing it the right way, which is what I teach in my courses, is how to do it the right way. I want to help you guys out. Okay, 76,401,422 times 0.10 times 0.03. $229,000, guys. So hopefully this opens your eyes to the things that are possible. For those of you who say it's not possible anymore, YouTube's cracking down, things like that, they are cracking down. And so that's why more than ever it's important that you learn how to do these techniques the right way, so that you can get around getting deleted and demonetized and all those sort of things that can come with doing it wrong. So if you try it on your own, or if you don't follow my course exactly the way I teach it, or if you try to use somebody else's methods, probably not going to work for you, because I'm not going to, pretend they're not cracking down. They definitely are, and that's why it's more important than ever